Hey, and welcome back to 8482 Media. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create and edit artboards on your single Illustrator file. This will allow you to create more variations of your designs without having to create many different files. So in front of you, I'm giving you an example of one Illustrator file, but that has many artboards, which allows me to create many different designs and variations. I'll be doing another video that will show you how to export each individual artboard as a PNG or file format. So to start off, I just created a basic Illustrator file. This is just a letter-sized blank artboard. Now the artboard is the canvas that we'll be using. It's our blank canvas, and if we want to be able to export any designs that we make, it has to be on an artboard. So, because sometimes you can put things around the artboards, but that means it's in an empty space. It's in a void, you could say. So to start off, there are two main ways that you can edit, add, or delete artboards. You can use the artboard tool, which is here on our toolbar on the left. The shortcut is Shift-O. Or you can go here to the properties panel and just click edit artboards. Now for you, sometimes for you to be able to see this, you have to be selecting nothing in your file, because sometimes you might be selecting your shape, let's say, and then in the properties you have the properties of the shape, not of the artboard. So for you to be able to have the properties of the artboard, I'm just going to go do V for a selection tool and then click in the void, and you have the option to edit your artboards. I'm going to go ahead and use Shift-O. And as you see, now the artboards have become selected. They're now editable objects. So you can just click and drag and create whichever shape you want, because many times you are just doing some sketches or mood boards or examples. You don't necessarily need the same artboard constantly, or you just need a little bit of space. Or if you want the same artboard, you can come here and click on artboard 1. For example, you want the exact same copy of artboard 1, and you can click on the plus sign here and it'll have an exact copy. Now you can also move around the artboards, so you can organize your space as you want. You can also rearrange them through the properties panel, so you can have rearrange all. This so for example, you can rearrange from right to left, left to right, if you want different orders. So for example, that will do that. And you can also edit the name of your artboards, and that is also very important for organization. Square, point, helix. And also, one important thing to keep in mind when you're moving around your artboards is that the content, so move artwork with artboard, so that you're able to just move everything at once and you don't have to worry about losing your work and having everything all over the place, basically. You want your life to be easier, and that will make your life easier. You can also see your artboards and select them here. They will bring you to each artboard. And you, in the properties panel, you're also able to add rulers, add or hide rulers, grids, transparency grids, depending on what you are doing. A lot of the time I use rulers and I use grids. They allow me to order and organize and create symmetrical work. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, comment them below and we'll get them answered. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.